Hola, we are going to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu Linux machine via graphical user interface and with terminal way. Google Chrome is fast, secure, and is one of the most popular web browsers available today. Google Chrome is not an open source and can be found in Ubuntu Software Center, though we are going to download it from official website. Let's start by using quickest way to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu, which is by using graphical user interface. Go ahead and open your default web browser. For my case, it is Firefox, and I have opened it. Let me type in Chrome, and I'm just going to click on this first link. And this is official website of Google Chrome. Go ahead and click on download, and you are going to select download package according to your Linux type you are using. For my case, I'm using Ubuntu, so go ahead and accept install, and as you can see, it is downloaded. Let's find the package I've downloaded in download folder. Here it is. As you can see, it is in deb file format, which is software package format used by Ubuntu and other Debian based Linux distribution for quick installation software. I like to click on this deb file format and open it in Ubuntu Software Center. Here, click on open with other application. Select software install. It will open Ubuntu Software Center. As you can see, it is loading. Yeah, go ahead and install. Before install, they will prompt you to confirm. Type in password, and Google Chrome is being installed. Wait a little bit. It is finished. From now on, you can start using it. So let's open it. You can go here, and here it is. Just to uninstall it, it is on one click. Click on this red trash icon and click on uninstall, and confirm this action of removing Google Chrome in your Ubuntu Linux machine. Typing in password. Yeah, it's being uninstalled, and it is right now, it is removed completely. By using terminal, just open terminal by shortcut key Ctrl+Alt+T. Here it is. We are going to start as usual by updating our system by typing in sudo apt update. Type in superuser password, and our system is being updated. After that, use this command to get the latest version of Google Chrome package. Here Google Chrome is being downloaded. Download is complete, so use this command to install it. I will put link in the description of all of these commands. Then Google Chrome is being installed. Installation is complete, so let's open it via terminal by typing Google Chrome. So here it is. You can use graphical user interface to install it, or even terminal. It depends on your choice and what is easy for you. So that's it. Adios.